Now guys, we again start the another application of the resonance that is called as aromaticity. Okay, or we can say in this we can find the aromatic, non-aromatic, anti-aromatic of the compounds. How can we find out? Now we check it. Okay, aromaticity is nothing but in this we can find out the condition of aromatic. Okay, now first of all, in aromatic the minimum conditions are they are cyclic and planar. The second is always be a resonance. Huckel's rules. Now this is important. Huckel's rules is nothing but 4n plus 2 pi electron. This is pi electron. And n values start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When I will put in this formula 4n plus 2 pi electron, if I put 0, n value is 0, this is the n. So pi electron is 2. If I put n value is 1, pi electron is, we can say, 6. If I put n value is 2, then pi electron is 10. If I put n value is 3, we can say pi electrons are 14. If I put n value is 4, pi electrons are, we can say, 18, like this, so on. So you have to understand for Huckel's rule 4n plus 2 pi electrons for aromatic. Okay, now understand for anti-aromatic you have to understand cyclic and planar. Okay, resonance is also be there for anti-aromatic, and Huckel's rule formula is nothing but we can say 4n pi electron. There is a not plus 2. Okay, 4n pi electron, and n values start from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, but not be a 0, not be a 0. Okay, so we can say if n value is 1, so pi electrons are 4. If n value is 2, pi electrons are 8. If n value is 3, pi electrons are 12. So we can say if the pi electrons are 4, 8, 12, 16, and we can say 1 pi bond, we can say 1 pi bond contain 2 pi electron, and we can say lone pair is also contain 2 pi electron. Okay, sometime. Okay, not always, not always. You can only remember like this one. First of all, 1 pi bond contain 2 pi electron. Now understand non-aromatic compound. In non-aromatic compound we can say they are acyclic and cyclic, whatever they are resonance, and one more condition, they are having sp3 carbon atom in the ring also. Okay, now there is a stability order. This is more important when I talk about the stability order. This is question is comes in the JE also. So aromatic is more stable than non-aromatic compounds than anti-aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds are more stable than non-aromatic than anti-aromatic. Now we are going with the some question. In this we identify aromatic, anti-aromatic and non-aromatic. Now in this example number 1, you are able to see that this carbon is sp3 carbon. So we can say, and there's a 2 pi electron. So this is a, we can say, non-aromatic. Okay, now in this we can say this is a negative charge. Negative charge means 2 pi electron, and there is a double bond is also, we can say, 2 pi electrons. Total are 4 pi electrons. 4 pi electrons, when 4 pi electrons means anti-aromatic. Okay, now in this there is a positive charge means vacant orbital, and this is hybridization is sp2, and this hybridization is because of this is in resonance, this is also be a sp2. Okay, so we can say there is a only 2 pi electrons, and 2 pi electron means aromatic. Now in example number 4 you are able to see that there is a free radical, and there is a pi electron, that is a, we can say, odd electron species, odd electron. So we can say this is a non-aromatic. Now in example number 5th, this is sp2 hybridized, this is sp2 hybridized, and this is a vacant orbital, and this is a 2 pi electron. So this is a aromatic compounds. In example number 6, this is a 2 pi electron, this is a 2 pi electron, and this is also be a 2 pi electron. Total 6 pi electron means aromatic. Now in this 2 pi, 2 pi, 2 pi, 2, 2, 2, 6 pi electrons means aromatic. Now this is 2 pi electron, this is 2 pi electrons. Okay, now there is a total 4 pi electrons, means anti-aromatic. Now in example number 9, there is a 2 pi, there is a 2 pi bond, means 2 pi bond means 4 pi electrons, means anti-aromatic. Okay, now question number 10, there is a 2 pi and 2 pi. There is oxygen is having a 2 lone pair, but they participate in the one lone pair is participating in the lone resonance. So we can say this oxygen, out of 2 lone pair we can count only one lone pair, we can say as a pi electron. So we can say out of 2 lone pair, this is as a oxygen lone pair atom. Now understand, we can say lone pair atom attached with single bond, so lone pair count in pi electron only one. Okay, so it is having a 6 pi electrons, means aromatic. Now nitrogen is having a one lone pair and attached with single bond, so we can say it is also be a 6 pi electrons, means aromatic. Now sulfur is having a 2 lone pair, but we count only one lone pair, so 6 pi electrons means aromatic. Now this is a sp3 atom and 6 pi electron, we, but if there is a sp3 atom in the ring, so it is, we can say, not aromatic. Now this nitrogen atom is sp2 hybridized, and this lone pair is, we can say, localized. This is not in the resonance. Okay, so we cannot count it. So how many pi electrons? We can say this is 2 pi electron, 2 pi electron, and 2 pi electron. Total is 6 pi electron. We cannot count lone pair. Okay, in this we cannot count lone pair. Okay, so total is 6 pi electrons, means aromatic. Now in this is a positive charge, 2 pi electron, 2 pi electron, and this is a lone pair. This is a 2 lone pair, but we can count one lone pair, so total is 6 pi electron aromatic. Now in this 2 pi, 2 pi, 2 pi, 6 pi electrons means aromatic. Now in this there is a 2, 2, 2, 2, 8 pi electron, but this is non-aromatic. 8 pi electron is anti-aromatic. Whenever the 7 member ring and more than this carbon, 7 member ring or more carbon, anti-aromatic convert into a non-aromatic. Okay, anti-aromatic convert into a non-aromatic, so it is a non-aromatic. Okay, now in example number 10, this is withdrawing the electron, so this carbon is a positive charge, so one lone pair, this is a 2 lone pair, but one lone pair is participating in the resonance, so we can say 2 pi, 2 pi, and 2 lone pair. Out of 2 lone pair we can count one lone pair, so means 2 pi electron, so we can say 6 pi electrons means aromatic. Now in this we can say question number 19th, this is withdrawing the electron, so this carbon is a del positive charge, this is a lone pair in resonance. Okay, so we can say not localized, so localized lone pair we cannot count, but delocalized we can count it. So 2 pi, 2 pi, and 2 pi, 6 pi electrons means aromatic. Now in this nitrogen is having a lone pair, this is localized, this nitrogen lone pair is delocalized. Delocalized lone pair we count, localized we cannot count. Okay, so there is a double bond, and lone pair, 6 pi electrons means aromatic. Now in this there is a boron is having a vacant, this is a boron having a vacant orbital, or we can say this is a positive charge. Vacant orbital or positive charge both are work as same. Okay, so there is a pi electron, pi electron, pi electron, 6 pi electron means aromatic. Now in example number 22, there is a sulfur is having a two lone pair, but one is count because this is delocalized. So 2 pi electron from this, 2 pi electron from this, 2 pi electron from this. This lone pair is not count. Okay, so total is 6 pi electrons means aromatic. Now question number 23. This is localized node count. Two lone pair out of one is delocalized, so we can count. Okay, so 2, 2 and 2, 6 lone pi electrons means aromatic. Now in question number 24, there's a nitrogen is having a lone pair and there's a two double bonds. Okay, 6 pi electrons means aromatic. In question number 25th, now we break this double bond and make the above and below ring as a aromatic. So if I am breaking on this side, so this is a negative charge, below is a del positive charge, so this is aromatic, this is aromatic, both are aromatic. Now in this we can say we break on the upper side, this is negative charge, this will positive charge, so this is positive charge, this is aromatic, this is aromatic, the compound is aromatic. Okay, because above is 6 pi electron and below is also 6 pi electrons. Now in question number 27, 10 pi electrons aromatic. Now question number 28, 10 pi electrons aromatic. Now question number 29, we cannot count this one. Okay, this is the outside the ring, 6 pi electron means aromatic. In question number 30, there is a negative charge, negative charge we cannot count, this is outside the ring. Ring is having a 6 pi electron means aromatic. In next question, there is a oxygen is more electronegative, so it is withdrawing the electron toward upper side, this is a del positive charge, there is a 2 pi electron, so we can say aromatic. Now in question number 32, this is withdrawing the electron above side, so this will make a del positive charge. Now there is a 6 pi electrons and positive charge means aromatic. Now question number 33, important one, this is the 8 pi electrons, but this is 8 member ring, so convert into a like this tub shape, so this is a non-planar, so no resonance, so means not aromatic, not, it is not be anti-aromatic, it is a non-aromatic. Okay, now in this question number 34, this is a 10 pi electrons, but this is non-aromatic. Sir, why? Because this carbon is having a hydrogen, this carbon is having a hydrogen, hydrogen repulsion, this ring is banned, so this is a non-aromatic, so there is a no resonance. Okay, in question number 35, but I will replace the 34 in 35, they are same, but in 35 I am replace the hydrogen and I will bond it with the oxygen atom, so now there is a no hydrogen repulsion, so ring is planar, and having a 10 pi electrons, so we can say planar, and this ring is about 34 is not be a planar, 35 is a planar. Okay, because of no repulsion, so it is, we can say, aromatic. Now example number 36, if you are able to see that there is a boron is having a vacant, lone pair will donated, or lone pair will donated, so we can say this is a 6 pi electron means aromatic. Now next one case is dimerization. Okay, so in this there is an exception case of anti-aromatic compounds. Now dimerization is nothing but we can say combination of two molecules, it is nothing but we can say combination of two molecules. Now in this you can say this is the anti-aromatic compounds, but at room temperature, at we can say this is anti-aromatic compound, but at room temperature, this double bond is break into a free radicals, this is converted free radical, This is converted free radical, and these free radicals are joined and make a compound like this. This is a non-aromatic compounds. So we can say anti-aromatic converted non-aromatic. But if this cyclobut 1,3-butadiene ring is having a tertiary butyl group, this is a tertiary butyl group. Okay, this is a carbon containing group. They are the carbon containing. This is a CS3, 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 CS3. So it will not dimerize due to steric repulsion. Due to steric repulsion, when any other group, same group is comes, so this group, whole group is rotating. This whole group we can say is rotated as a, this whole group is rotated. Okay, so in this we can say they are not be dimerized. Okay, so guys, if you like it, then subscribe the channel for our next video. Thank you so much.